Hello, and welcome to The Machine and Me. My name is Ricky, and I'm about to start designing a homemade social artificial intelligence system. To start my experiments, I need to think of how I want to communicate with my artificially intelligent friend. Do I want to type to it, speak to it, send it a text, chat purely through memes, have it read my mind to communicate, and other questions such as, does it live in a physical body? Is it in a virtual world? For me, I want an AI that I can have a spoken conversation with. I want something I can talk to, as well as probably email and maybe text. So let's go with that. While I would love to have a robot with a physical body that I could chat with, I have no idea how to build any of that. It's probably really expensive to experiment with. So for now, let's just go with what's probably going to be a mixture of maybe apps on my computer. So let's go with that instead of a physical body for the moment. So we're going to go with spoken conversation and written text in English as our main form of communication for this system. I also want my AI friend to be able to talk whenever it wants to be able to respond whenever it would like to as well. I don't want to have to wake it up with a trigger keyword like, hey Siri, or okay Google, hey Cortana. I just want to be able to talk to it and it can respond. I also want the AI to feel bored at times and for it to initiate conversation with me. It shouldn't always wait on me to talk to it as a way to get the system going. It's a design decision I might have to come back to later on if I find that every sound in the room comes in as some kind of input that it feels it needs to respond to, or if I find it's too chatty or doesn't work or whatever. But let's run with this idea for now. One of the hardest bits about computerized speech recognition is getting a really clear and clean audio signal into the microphone. So what kind of microphone do I already own that's going to work really well for speech recognition? Do I go for the classic USB headphones with a boom microphone on them? Do I go for a desk microphone? Do I go radio mics used for filming? Do I go for Bluetooth microphones for phones and for gaming? I'm going to have to experiment. I've put together this quick speech recognition program to test out all the different microphones that I want to use. So I'm going to put on this headset and say some words into it, and hopefully we get an exact text transcription of what I say onto the screen. Hello. Okay, that one worked. This is going well so far. I like this headset. Very cool. It's not particularly comfortable, but it seems to be really accurate. Alright, let's try some of the other microphones, but this is a great start. Alright, let's experiment with this desk microphone and see what we get. That's pretty good. I like that. Cool, what if I sit back here though? Will it still work? Hey, I like it! This is good as well, so I like that I don't have to have a corded headset on me. And the quality is really good. Alright, this is a different brand of corded USB headset. Coded, not corded, but that's kind of close. Alright. Whoa, who did not call did, but that's kind of closer. What? That's nothing like what I said. Woolworths, who did not call you, but yeah. Woolworths, why aren't you calling me? Here's the SingStar microphone back from the PlayStation 3. Hello, Kissing Star microphone. Not quite, really. Okay, let's see how we go with this wireless microphone. Oh, well, that's off to a good start. I think I'll try and clip it on. Keep it on, I meant clip. Okay, let's try it now. That's a bit better. Maybe it doesn't work so well while I'm talking while trying to actually stick it on my t-shirt. on my teacher, no, not quite, but I do like how the comes out. Yeah, not as accurate as I'm hoping for there. So sometimes it's hard to know, is it the quality of the audio going into the microphone or is it my pronunciation? Or is that... Okay, I made the text a bit too big, we can't read the rest. Tell you what, I like the freedom of wireless. I could totally walk off camera and far away. And it should work, except what on earth is Toto cough? Yeah, not quite. Except one S cost. Alright. Alright, let's keep trying other options. I will. Let's try this Xbox 360 microphone. Xbox 360 Minecraft? No, that's not what I meant. Okay, let's give this a proper test now that I'm wearing it. It's not exactly accurate. Except for that bit where I'm talking about how it's not accurate. That makes sense. Oh, it just misses bits of words. I don't know if that's a pronunciation thing. Hi just misses bits of words. I don't know if that's a thing. It's now a thing. It's on video. It's a thing. Yeah. Hi Justin. It's a bit of what? Where did Justin come in from this? It's that guitar guy. Bluetooth mic. Hello. Oh, that one works. Hello? I thought it was working. I wonder if this is going to have the same problem as the Xbox One. I'm gonna have the same problem as they are. Not quite what I meant. Alright, so it's not quite as accurate as I'd like. And it's interesting, it's a little bit like the Xbox One where it misses the first couple of sounds of what I'm saying. No, that's not what I meant. It got that bit right. Well, after testing out a few different microphone styles, I'd have to say that the classic USB corded headset is probably the most accurate one, though I didn't find it particularly comfortable having to wear these ear cuffs on for a very long time, and it kind of restricts my movement to being directly in front of the computer. Other microphones I liked, I like this little desk microphone. This one's a Samsung Meteor, and I can just sit that on my desk and I can speak. The range for distance isn't that great, but it's a lot more comfortable. I can just sit it on the desk, I can do things, I can speak to it, I can speak kind of off mic and it's still picked up pretty well. For the best portable option, I liked the X-Tag wireless microphone from Revo Labs. This worked a lot better than the Bluetooth earphone headsets that I had, like the standard phone one and the Xbox One. I found that both of those seem to miss bits of words. Now, I don't know if that's normal for a Bluetooth headset. I only had two to test with, and I found that they kind of missed the first bit of what I was saying and occasionally some of the really short words. And I don't know if maybe that's something to do with those kinds of headsets. Maybe they have a low power standby kind of mode to save battery, and then when they notice that you're speaking, they quickly click into action, but that means that they miss that very beginning. Not sure, whereas these ones, although they're wireless, they are constantly transmitting. They're a little bit more like a cabled microphone that way. You pay a lot more for that. But I'm not sure about having to always wear this thing and then making sure it's docked on the charger. I might, for the moment, although it has missed a couple of things compared to the wired headset and this one. I might go with this desk mic purely because I am going to spend most of my time talking to it when I'm at the computer. And I just sit it there and it's done. So I like that. So I think this will be my main one, and at times I might use other microphones depending on the experiment. So that takes care of my artificially intelligent friend's ears, for want of a better word. For my next step, I want to decide, I guess the other half of this, what kind of voice will the machine have that it can speak back to me with? And I'll cover that in my next video. So hope to see you soon.